You have users, you have patients that use your products, and to see them being happy that they can open a box, that is inspiring. So my name is Cornelia. I work in device development. I'm actually currently the head device development at Pharma Biologics. So actually, I started as a linguist. I studied in Vienna. When I was writing my thesis on speech patterns, I needed a job. And I found a medical device company, and they were looking for someone to edit their ad promo. 5 years later, I was leading their labeling department. And Sandoz hired me for regulatory labeling for combination products, and I was the first Master of Arts at Sandoz. My first day at Sandoz, I was so proud. You have no idea. It was the most precious day in my life. It was amazing, and Sandoz is still, for me, a beautiful company. I have to say, device development in the end is where I went to after labeling and working on combination products and really seeing the patient and seeing the user, because that's what device development is all about. You have users, you have patients that use your products, and to see them being happy that they can open a box because they suffer from rheumatoid arthritis, and we have developed boxes that they can easily open. That is inspiring. And so I wanted to go in human factors, and you do this to really give the patient the material in hand to self-inject. And this is what, for me, is the most important thing, because I'm a patient too. So I have a gene defect, so my blood clots if I don't take phenylpropramone. So my blood is thinned. I had the diagnosis, I was 19 years old. I was barely, an adult. And the doctor said to me, well, from now on, you need to come into the hospital once a month to get your blood tested so we can dose you with the correct dose of warfarin. And I said, I'm 19. How can I do that? I want to go to London to go to University College. I want to, travel. And they said, well, there's a device. We can teach you how to use it. So they did. It took me 2 hours to be able to prick my finger, because there is a hurdle. Patients see a needle and it's really hard for them to inject themselves. But, when you're not a patient yourself in the industry, these hurdles that people have, you are not aware of them. Yeah. So for me, this device that I'm still using, and now I'm 46 years old, has given me my quality of life. This is what makes my job so great.